preschool. I wanted to do a little story today, and this isn't a story that we've read before, so it's all new. And it's about why can't we go to school? A lot of you might be thinking about why can't I just go to school and play with my friends? So I'm going to read a little story about why we can't be in school right now. Fanny's going to help me. Most days, I go to school. Some of you come on the school bus. Some of you come on the child care van. Some of you come in your mom or your dad's car. Some of you walk to school. But most days you go to school. I like to play with my friends. Boy, I like to play with friends too. I like to play games. I like to play in the Play-Doh and in the sensory table. Play with blocks. There's a lot of fun things at school. My teachers love me a lot. We do. We love you guys a lot. And we miss you. I can't go to school right now. Some of you might be inside, just kind of waiting to come back to school. At school, there are a lot of other children. We have a big class. We've got a lot of kids in our classroom. When a lot of children are together, they sometimes share their sneezes and coughs. Sharing sneezes and coughs make everyone sick. We try really, really hard to cough into our elbow and sneeze into our elbow and wash our hands, but sometimes those germs just still sneak through. I am staying at home until my friends and my teachers are healthy. When everyone is healthy, we can go back to school. That'll be fun. I look forward to getting back to school. My teachers love me and are thinking of me. We are. We love you and we're thinking of you every day. And I hope you've been getting all of my videos. I'll keep sending those. Fanny's going to keep helping me out with those. And I wish you well.